Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're yet again doing an update regarding immigration crackdowns here in the kingdom. And something I'd like to go ahead and preface this video with is it's been interesting the past roughly 2 or 3 months to watch the differing methodology, if you will, comparing the new immigration chief to the old immigration chief, where in the past we used to see rather regular crackdowns that involve large numbers of overstayers, etc. We're now seeing maybe the numbers are not so high, although we have seen a number of raids wherein they found a number of overstayers. It appears the new immigration chief seems a little bit more focused on foreign criminals who are using Thailand as sort of an entrepot, if you will, or using Thailand as a place to sort of hide out, rather than seemingly the focus being on finding overstayers, etc. Now, this could be twofold. One, I think it's very possible that the number of overstayers has declined tremendously. I can say from having seen and worked in this field for the last 2 or 3 years, I think that's definitely probable, and in fact, I think that is the case. The high-profile raids and the roundups of multiple foreigners occurring, seemingly random at first, and then becoming quite a staple of the news here for a rather long period of time, I think that acted as a deterrent against people living on overstay, staying in Thailand for a prolonged period on overstay. Moreover, as we've discussed in other videos, biometrics is now playing a part in precluding people entry from getting into the kingdom where they've either got a criminal history or a problematic immigration history, because there's no real hiding from biometrics. You either have your fingerprint or you do not. And as we've discussed in other videos, immigration police are using those tools with more effect. And as a result, we're seeing people being, again, precluded from coming into the kingdom. Now, I'm not going to so much quote directly from any one particular article here. I just want it noted the dates and the headlines here, for lack of a better term. So, thaivisa.com, big odd strikes foreigners and Thai ladyboys on new immigration chief's radar. So, I will quote directly. A press conference yesterday was headed by the man who is settling into the role as head of the Thai Immigration Bureau, Lieutenant General Sompong Chingdawang, known in the Thai media as Big Odd. That's spelled O-U-D. And they go through here and note that a number of people were arrested, and this has been in like the past 2 or 3 weeks. A number of people were arrested for various crimes and deported from the kingdom, and in some cases, Thais themselves were arrested in cases where they were harassing tourists. Another article, Immigration Intensifies Crackdown on Traffickers, June 25, 2019. Quoting directly, Immigration Bureau has intensified its crackdown on human trafficking networks, which has resulted in the arrest of several alleged smugglers. And they go through here and explain that there are various folks that have been caught, in Thailand for illegal purposes. They also are going after people who are organizing groups of illegal workers to come into the kingdom. Finally, article entitled Immigration Police Arrest Foreigners for a Variety of Crimes. That's The Nation, nationmultimedia.com. That's June 28. And there's quite a bit of information in here. Multiple people, again, I'm not going to go into the details, but multiple people, I urge those watching this video, read these articles. Multiple people arrested for a variety of different crimes of multiple nationalities. It's not Western, it's not Eastern, it's all kinds of people being arrested in these contexts. The point I'm trying to make with respect to this is, although the complexion, if you will, of immigration crackdown in Thailand is changed somewhat, we're not seeing the big high-profile raids that are nabbing hundreds of people. I think one of the reasons for that, as I've already explained, there's just not that many people overstaying as there were. And I also think that the new immigration chief, in that he comes from a background in the border police, I think his priorities may be slightly different. He seems to be looking for criminals here in the kingdom, not so much targeting massive numbers of overstayers, etc. but targeting really problematic individuals and going after them. Now, it's a mixed bag. I've also read articles in recent weeks where on this channel wherein we've discussed still there are mass raids. Recently up in Isan, there was a raid that was coordinated as before, and it nabbed a number of people. How this is going to play out in the future remains to be seen. That being said, it's very clear to me immigration continues to be serious about the enforcement of immigration law, and I don't think it's a great time to be coming to Thailand to try and, if you will, step around the system or get around the system, as I think immigration enforcement authorities are nabbing those who are causing problems here in the kingdom.